What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign out of the Play Store on your Android device. This can be particularly useful if you're using a shared or public device and want to ensure your account remains secure. First, open up the Google Play Store application on your Android device. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to reveal a menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, you will see the option that says Manage Accounts on this device. Go ahead and tap on this option. This will take you to a page in your phone settings app where all the documents connected to your device are listed. And in case you're not automatically redirected to the pinpoint location, there's no need to worry. Simply scroll down your settings app until you find the option for accounts linked with your device. Here, you find the account that you wish to log out from. It could be the account you're currently using for the Play Store or any other account that's added to your device. Once you've located the account, tap on it to select it. After selecting the account, you'll see various options related to account settings. Look for the option that says Remove Account and tap on it. You'll be asked to confirm your decision to remove the account from your device. Tap on Remove Account again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of the Play Store on your Android device. This process essentially removes the Google account from your device, ensuring that no one else can access your Play Store account or make unauthorized purchases in your name. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.